everyone! Tonight I'll be making the best crockpot Hawaiian pork loin. What all goes into the best crockpot Hawaiian pork loin? 3 to 4 pounds of pork loin. And this is just shy of 3 pounds. 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 20-ounce can of pineapple chunks in juice, 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 1/2 of a large sweet onion chopped, about 2/3 cup, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, and 1.5 tablespoons of cool water. So let's begin. So take a bowl, combine your 1.5 teaspoons kosher salt, your 1 teaspoon paprika, your 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and your 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, and whisk that to combine. And set aside. So take your pork loin and pat it dry with paper towels on both sides. Then take your seasoning that we just mixed up and rub it in all over the pork loins. And you want to be generous. Get the ends. Try to get the sides as well. Set that aside. Turn your pan on to medium-high heat and heat your 1 tablespoon oil in your large pan. So put your pork loins in the hot pan and brown them on each side 3 to 4 minutes. While that's doing that, take 3/4 of a cup of pineapple juice and your 1/2 cup of soy sauce and mix that together. So that's got a pretty good sear on it. Next we'll go over to the slow cooker. So we have a slow cooker here, and as usual I have a slow cooker liner in there for easy cleanup. Take your can of pineapples and put half of the pineapples on the bottom. And spread them out. Then put your pork loin on top of the pineapple, fat side up. Then put the rest of your pineapple on top of the pork. Then put your half of a sweet onion that you diced on top of that. Then take your pineapple juice and soy sauce that you mixed up and pour that all over that. Put your lid on, turn it to low, and cook it for 5 hours. So take your pork out of the crock pot and take 2 forks and shred that. Take your strainer and saucepan and take your juice and pour that in there. And save your pineapples to garnish with. Turn your heat to medium-high and bring it up to a simmer. Take your 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and the 1.5 tablespoons of water to make a cornstarch slurry and mix that. Alright, so it's coming up to a simmer. Add your cornstarch slurry and stir that until thickened. So you can serve your pork on a plate with just the sauce and the pineapples, or you can make a pulled pork sandwich, and that's what I'm going to do. So there is my pork, and we're going to put A little bit of the sauce on top of that. And then we'll put some pineapples on it as well. Put the top bun on. So here is the best Crockpot Hawaiian Pork Loin. And rounding out the meal is cilantro lime rice. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Is this what I'm...
Yes, it is the best Crockpot Hawaiian Pork Loin.
Okay. Is that pineapple?
It is.
A lot of flavors mixed up in that. I like it. It's really tender.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.